What's up YouTube, this is DJ Kicks here coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be getting into another unboxing video with a Nike and Supreme collab that I just got in the mail just yesterday. Go ahead and check out my last unboxing video. I'll go ahead and link it up here in the video somewhere at the top. I believe it was for the UNC and Obsidian 1, so go ahead and check that out if you'd like. And then also make sure that you do hit a thumbs up on this video. Definitely like it for me, it definitely helps out a lot. Leave a comment below if you like this video, and then definitely hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that way you guys are subscribed and get notified when I release new videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so I got the box right here. One thing before I start, I will tell you that I do not agree with Nike on putting all of this branding on the boxes. I mean, everything just screams that this is a shoe that's in this box. For me, I mean, I don't really feel like I have packages stolen on my porch a lot, just because my front door is kind of off to the side, and it's kind of not, you know, visible from the street. However, for people that have, like, you know, doorsteps that are right in front of a street, this is not very, like, you know, subtle. This screams that there's something Nike, and it's probably a tennis shoe in here, and somebody's going to steal this package. So, I hope Nike kind of changes up the way that they're doing things and doesn't do this anymore. I mean, I think the Just Do It tape is okay, but definitely not the Nike symbol on the side. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Go ahead and cut this guy open here. And like I said, this is a Nike and SB collab, so you probably already know what this is. Go ahead and get this thing opened. Alright, so right here you can see it is a Nike SB box. Go ahead and take this thing out the box. And this is, like I said, straight from Nike. So we've got the Nike SB box here, and this box code does read the Nike SB Dunk Low OG Quick Strike, and this is in the metallic gold and metallic gold colorway. I believe there's a little bit of blue on the shoe, so I don't know why that's not on there. Let's go ahead and open these guys up. So I'll go ahead and place these towards you, and get the paper down. And boom, so there you go. This is the Nike and Supreme collab here on the Dunk Low. Then whip this out the box. Alright, and then we'll get that out of the way. So bam, here you go. So like I said, this is the Nike and Supreme collab on the Nike SB Dunk Low. And this is in the metallic gold and navy blue colorway. So as you can see, the metallic blue is pretty much on the backside panel here, and then we have the metallic gold on the toe, as well as the gel swoosh on there. And then on here, you can see the Supreme branding and the star right there. Nike on the back, and then with a gold bottom. I'll go ahead and give you a little bit more detailed look on these guys and some shots here upcoming, but just want to give you guys my first thoughts on the sneaker. Just looking at the shoe, the quality is, you know, it's not all that great. For this being a Supreme collab, I thought the leather would be a lot better than it actually is, and it's really not. The leather is just kind of just that cheap, generic, you know, leather. The jewel swoosh on the side is kind of cool. I do like that, opposed to just as the regular, like, leather panel that usually is on the Nike SBs. I mean, you know, it's cool. Got the cool puffy tongue. It does have Supreme on the insole here. Not sure if you guys will be able to see that, but it does have the Supreme on the insole, which is kind of cool. Just for me, I mean, besides putting that Supreme there on the back, you really wouldn't know that this is a collab shoe at all. It's really just not that good quality, and it just, I mean, it just is, it's okay to me. I mean, I do like Dunk Lows, but it's just okay. For me, with this particular colorway, this was the only one that I was able to scoop up. The other colorways sold out on me. So for this one, this wasn't really my favorite colorway out of the three. I preferred the black and silver ones. I know a lot of you probably like the white reds, but I preferred the black and silvers. So unfortunately with me, I'm going to be kind of getting rid of these because I don't really like the colorway. Might try to, you know, scoop up the black and silver one at one point, but like I said, just want to get this review out to you guys so that way you guys can decide if you do want to go ahead and pick up this sneaker. So with the other shoe, it does have a lace bag on there with a extra set of white laces. Not sure why they would go with white. I figured they would come with maybe like a gold lace too as well, but just getting the white laces, I guess that's okay. Kind of cool. The lace tips on the extra whites, and I believe on the ones that come with it. Yeah, they do have, they say world famous on the side, so that's kind of like Supreme's kind of like a little saying there. So world famous on the lace tips. That's pretty cool. I'll show you that in the more detailed shots, but yeah, that's kind of cool. And it also came with this little Supreme times Nike world famous key tag, which is kind of cool. I like little Supreme accessories like that, so that's kind of cool to include in the packaging. But all in all, like I said, the shoe is pretty decent. Like I said, the leather quality is not all that good, but the shoe looks cool. It's a Dunk Low Pro, so I mean, it's got the it's got the Supreme branding on it. Not too bad of a sneaker. But let's go ahead and take a look at the detailed shots of this shoe. Alright, so taking an overview look here at the shoes, you can see the navy blue and the metallic gold featured mostly on the upper, and then the gold on the bottom of the sneaker. With a closer look here at the front end of the shoe, you can see that metallic gold right here on the toe with that leather wrapped around the entire toe part. Coming up here onto the laces, it does feature the navy blue on the laces. It does come with an extra set of white laces, as you can see in the pack coming up here in a second, but mainly that navy blue throughout the entire upper part of here with the tongue, and then the white background on the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro logo. Taking a close look here, you can see the world famous on the actual laces on the tips of those. Those are also featured on the white laces that come with it as well. Here with the side view look of the shoes, you can see that gold is only on the front part on the toe, going back into the navy blue on the back panel, and then taking a close look at the Supreme logo here with the white and the black with the star. Here you can also see the gold gel swoosh that's on the side, replacing the normal panel where there would either be like a suede or a leather, and then this time going with the metallic gold inside of this jewel swoosh. Here on the back side of the sneaker, you can see that predominantly navy blue back with the Nike stitched in white, and then you can also see the white midsole with the little hits of the gold on the outsole. Pretty plain looking leather on this guy, nothing really to, be super ecstatic about, really just plain quality leather on the backings of this guy. Now going to the bottom of the outsole here, you can see that it is wrapped in the all metallic gold with that Nike check right there in the middle. Stars on pattern on the front like you see on all the Nike SB models, and then that kind of like Air Jordan 1 type of looking pattern throughout the entire outsole here. And then taking a look here at the inner guts of the shoe, you can see that Supreme and Nike SB branding on the inside here on the insole. There is the red base Supreme's basic color with the white Supreme logo. Alright, and that is going to wrap up the detailed look and review of the Nike SB x Supreme collab on the Nike SB Dunk. So this is, like I said, the metallic gold and navy colorway. Just kind of, with taking a look at everything and taking a look at the sneakers a little bit more detailed, I'm going to be giving these guys like maybe a 7 out of 10 just because, it is Supreme, so it's kind of cool to have the logo on there with Supreme and on the inside, on the insole there. But really, I'm just not really feeling the colorway. Maybe if I had the black and silver one like I had said before, I would feel a little bit better about it. But just with this color, I'm really just not, digging it all that much. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. If the quality was a little bit better, I would be a little bit more sold, but this really just looks like a cheap, generic Nike SB Dunk with Supreme on it. Like I said, the only real thing that they kind of changed up and made a little bit different was the jewel swoosh, which is kind of cool. But, just in general, just really just a plain old Nike SB. Don't get me wrong, it is Supreme and it's cool, but, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this sneaker. If you were feeling these a little bit more than I did, and maybe if I had the other colorways, maybe, you guys would say that, hey, Dylan, the other colors were definitely dope. And I, might be wrong about this, but yeah, definitely let me know in the comment section for sure. But like I said, this has been the detailed review of the Nike SB x Supreme Dunk. Like I said, not really all that much feeling these, but wanted to bring this video out to you guys. Like I said, this will not be staying in the collection just because I'm not really feeling the colorway. But hey, I don't know, at least we were able to scoop something up, flip it for a little bit of profit. Definitely like this video though if you like the content, if you like taking a look at the detailed shots and seeing what the shoe looks like if you plan on paying resale for them. Definitely let me know in the comments section if you guys do plan on scooping these guys up at some point from like StockX or something like that, or if you already had your pair in hand. Definitely like hearing from you guys, and if you guys are liking these sneakers that I'm reviewing. So definitely let me know in the comments section. And then also too, definitely make sure to subscribe to this video for more content just like this. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that way when I do upload the new video, you guys do get notified. Definitely helps out a lot in getting the videos out to you guys. But like I said, this has been DJ Kicks. It's been the detailed review of the SB Supreme Dunk. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.